Welcome to Bradshaw Drive in the Bradshaw district towards the north of Bolton. We're here to look at this 3-bedroom end property which is served by this private driveway or access lane which only serves these 4 properties down here, so there's very little passing traffic at all to the front. There's actually 3 car parking spaces in total, so you'd have one just here, one just here, and then as I spin the camera around, where this silver Audi is here, that's the 3rd car parking space. The property's built in stone, part of this beautiful development. Absolutely gorgeous, really is popular. And it's no wonder, you know, the Jumbles is nearby, there's beautiful countryside nearby. We've got a lovely enclosed garden to the rear, and importantly, the property is sold with early vacant possession and no further upward chain delay. So hopefully a prompt completion can be arranged just as soon as the sale is agreed. It's very peaceful here, really is. And you're in a particularly quiet spot of the already quiet development. Let's go inside and we'll have a look around. Welcome inside. So we've stepped in through the quality entrance door to the front and we're in the reception hallway. Really nice light fittings. And as I spin the camera around, you'll see the stairs go off up to the 1st floor. And of course, first of all, we're going to turn left and into the living room. Now we've got the UPVC window to the front with the fitted blinds. I believe the radiators were updated and around 2023, maybe 2022, somewhere around that time scale. The whole property is neutrally decorated, nice carpeting down, and you'll notice as well as we walk through there's some lovely light fittings. So we've got a central feature electric fire which gives out the heat as well if you want it to, or you can just have the lights on. Lovely focal point of the room. Nice big living room, which also then opens up into the dining room. As you can see from here, we've got nice tall UPVC window to the left and a big door that opens up into the conservatory. Lovely light fitting, magnolia walls, white ceilings, nice radiator in there. We step into the conservatory, which is professionally fitted conservatory in white. It's like a white gloss really. We've got integrated fridge and freezer, freestanding dishwasher that's included, double oven grill with gas hob and extractor, and an integrated microwave as well. Complementary ceramic wall tiling, lovely tiling to the floor. And just as I open this up, this is the understairs storage space. There's loads and loads of storage space in there. Door out to the side, window overlooking the rear garden, which we'll probably get a slightly better look at now as we walk through and have a look at the conservatory. So we've got exposed stone walling, which is, you know, just true to the building and the heritage of the property. UPVC windows and double doors that open out onto the garden. Very good size conservatory this. There's a TV point in there as well and a wall light. Before we go outside, I think I'll show you upstairs, then we'll come back outside and have a look at the rear garden. So we're on the 1st floor and we've stepped up the stairs from the reception hallway and we're on the 1st floor landing, of course. We've got the loft access point, lovely modern ceiling light. You've perhaps noticed 1 or 2 of that style actually as we've gone through. We've got built-in storage space just off the landing as well. And first of all, we'll step into the bathroom. So it's a really nice 3-piece suite. I do like this floor and wall tiling. Very stylish. Very nice attention to detail. The shower here, so we've got side glass shower screen and also sort of a door design as well on there. And we've got both overhead and handheld shower options. Lovely shower room. If we look at the front of the property first. This is probably bedroom number 3. You might prefer to use them different ways around, but that's what I've called them. Where that silver car is there, of course, that's the parking spot that I mentioned outside. And this is the little access lane that runs down to the property. As we move towards the rear, this is bedroom number 2. Again, all nice and neutrally decorated, spotlighting in here, wood laminate flooring. Pretty much ready to move straight into, you know. And this is the master bedroom. Really, really good size. And we'll step out this way and have a look just at the rear garden. So you can see over the conservatory roof and into the garden. In fact, I mean, we are going to step out there and have a proper look in a minute. But first of all, before we do that, I'll just show you from this window where you might get a slightly better view. So yeah, all fully enclosed, easy maintenance. In fact, let's go outside and we'll have a proper look. So we've stepped outside and we're in the rear garden, of course. And as you perhaps saw from upstairs, we've got the flagged finish, which is ideal for easy maintenance, really. We've got the raised flower beds, but again, they're finished with stones, so there isn't too much maintenance to do on here at all. I mean, it would perhaps work if you covered maybe a section of it in AstroTurf, if you wanted to, just so there's a bit of space perhaps for the children to play. It's designed for easy maintenance and all year round use, which is fantastic. You can see here as we have a look at the back of the building, the conservatory and how that stonework ties in just as very, very neatly with the rest of the building. You can see where the cameras are, so the CCTV system was in the lounge actually, so that's included with the sale, as is this large shed which has its own electrics coming in, double doors, so both of these open out. Power and lighting, might be a brilliant workshop, perhaps man cave, something like that. That's where the ring comes in. There's an override switch in the kitchen as well, which is labelled up to turn the power off completely to the shed if you wish to. But this is a superb bonus, really. Absolutely fantastic space. The property and the shed is available with early vacant possession and no further upward chain delay. Any queries, any questions, or to arrange a viewing, please give us a call. It's Cardwell's Estate Agents, Bolton, 01204 381 281, 01204 381 281.